Hello everyone, and welcome back to John and Mandy Go RVing.
Hello everyone, and welcome to John and Mandy Go RVing. Today we're here at Meyer's RV in Harrisburg, and we have my friend here, Mike McCartney. He's going to show us this new Class B. It's a Patriot.
John, I appreciate you coming back in and letting us do this again. It's a lot of fun the last time, and I'm sure this is going to be good as well. Yeah, the Patriot is something new for us, basically, because, I mean, we've carried them before, but for the past couple of years, they've been pretty much non-existent. You had to special order them and just wait forever to get them, and now we've actually got a few of them in stock. They're here on this Mercedes Sprinter chassis, and the Patriot is considered by all accounts to be the top of the class of your Class B. They're built by American Coach, who has been famous for making those big $750,000 Class A's forever and a day. And back in 2017, they picked up a company called Midwest Automotive Design, who was building coaches somewhat similar to this, and they decided to buy that and then get into the Class B and make it a luxury item. So that's why I say these are considered to be the top of the line for the Class Bs.
Okay.
Let's check this thing out.
Yeah, let's check this thing out.
Okay, so of course with the Class Bs, it's basically a glorified van. Very easy to drive. Pretty much anybody can drive these things. That's what people love about them. But they're filled with the amenities that people need and want whenever we go out and want to get in the great outdoors. And what Patriot has done is they have equipped these with what they refer to as the Freedom Package, which really lets you get off grid. There is no generator on board. There's no propane on board. It's completely an electric coach. And this has got with the Freedom Package, you have the Dragonfly batteries, the lithium-ion batteries. You have 600 amp hours of battery power. You got 320 watts of solar on the roof of this thing. You can actually run the air conditioning system, the overhead air conditioning system in this coach, completely off batteries for 8 to 10 hours.
Very nice.
Yeah, so you can go off grid and not have to worry about having somewhere to plug in with it. With American Coach, again, they're about detail and luxury and quality. And if you take a look here, John, here's a perfect example of what they do. Every piece of the normal plastic that Mercedes would have in this coach, they have removed and completely redone it with the graphics matching the entire coach the whole way to the front, the whole way to the back. You see nothing but this luxury feeling.
Very nice stitch work.
Oh my God, yeah, this double needle diamond pattern that they do continues, of course, on into the seats, even up into the headrest. By the way, the seats are heat and massage, got to have that. And again, this attention to detail that they do is second to none. And when people are getting this kind of a coach, they're looking for that detail, that luxury, that quality, if you will. The attention to detail that these guys do is really second to none, even with the covering on these back doors. I mean, when you look at a lot of these so-called competition, it's not finished up nicely like this. These are also insulated inside, so it gives you better climate control, better control of the noise on the outside. And even the flooring. They extend the flooring that they do the whole way to the edge. Again, when you start looking at the competition, it's not that way. You might still see some carpeting along the edge here that can get nasty and wet and so-called mildewy, if you will. But
I also see there's cameras.
And the camera system that they use, which, by the way, you got 4 cameras, 360-degree camera view on this thing. You've got camera in the very front, you've got, of course, the rear one here, and one on each side. So while you're going down the road, there's a little monitor that's sitting there right near on the dash by your driver's station. that you have a 360 view of everything going on around you as you're going down the road.
So I'm sure many of you wonder how we're able to travel as often as we do.
One tool we like to use when looking for campgrounds is Thousand Trails.
It's a campground membership with plans to meet your camping needs. The Thousand Trails system offers a variety of RV sites, tent sites, and cabins, plus many offer a ton of amenities and activities. Many are located near popular vacation destinations. We found that the campgrounds serve as a perfect home base when we're exploring new areas. Thousand Trails can work for the weekend campers, full-time RVers, and every type of camper in between. The membership specialists will work with you personally to fit the membership to your camping needs and budget. Contact Michael and Lori, membership specialists who are ready to answer your questions. And please don't forget to mention John and Mandy Go RVing when you call.
Again, the consistent pattern of the fit, feel, and finish the whole way from the front, the whole way to the back is what they're doing with these things. You have this, what they call a little lagoon table. It can kind of spin around.
Okay, yeah.
Make it very nice for, you know, eating, of course, or playing games or whatever in the evening.
And you can fit 2 plates on there if you really need
Oh,
to.
yeah. My goodness, yeah. And the seat that you're sitting on with a push of a button up here on the control panel will actually lay right down. Let me see here. Okay, recline.
All right. There you go.
Yep,
No physical labor needed.
none. And you've got a 74-inch length of sleeping from here to back to there.
And
There's
you do have USB.
USB. And you have another one of these control panels back here. It's what they call the Firefly control panel. You have one back here that can work everything in the coach. You have the one that I was just operating here. And there's also one up by your driver.
Okay.
So you can work the whole coach that way. And again, I mentioned there's no propane on board. You have an induction cooktop here. Doesn't get hot. You can be cooking the bacon, pick it up, lay your hand right on it. It's not going to burn you. Got refrigeration right here. Of course, the sink.
Is that a telescoping head one?
That is.
Very nice.
That is. Absolutely. Wet bath.
Okay.
Now,
This microwave, is this convection or just regular deal?
convection microwave.
Okay.
Oh, I apologize. It's not convection.
Okay.
Cut that out. Cut that out. Sorry about that.
It's all right.
So, with regards to the wet bath, porcelain toilet. Seems like a simple thing, but other Class Bs that are supposedly competing with the Patriot, they still equip them with plastic. You have this 2-piece shower surround. There's the only seam right down there, so you don't have to worry about leaks or whatnot. You have the little wand.
Okay. And that's in a good spot too.
Oh yeah, it's very nicely done. Every piece is done in that same finish, what they call hydrographic. Even the air conditioning cover, the fantastic fan cover, everything is done
Very nice.
to match the whole way from the front to the back.
Okay. And then there's a little storage up above there, it looks like.
Yeah, very deep
Yeah,
actually.
it is pretty deep.
And the one behind you is very deep also.
There's one on the side here, one in the back. It's pretty deep. Yeah, there's a lot of room in that one.
Oh,
too.
yeah.
There's even this little one over here on the right.
And there's no black tank cassette, if you will. With this, it has 3 tanks. You've got a 27-gallon fresh, you got a 24-gallon gray, and a 14-gallon black.
Very nice.
It's the largest in their class.
Okay.
And macerator pump on it.
All right, yeah.
It just chops everything up very fine, so no need to carry like a big hose with it. It's got the tiny little hose on a power reel. Pulls out 15-20 feet, you push the button, puts it back in. Plus, instead of having like your dump valves, just a push button. Push button for black, push button for gray,
All right.
black tank flush, and gray tank flush.
And that's a lot more convenient when you're on the run, especially in something this size.
Yep, yep. You don't have to have anything to carry any extra big, bulky stuff with you. This is worth taking a peek at. Look at the quality of those drawers. Solid hardwoods. Dovetail.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Well, thanks, Mike, for taking the time to show us this rig. And is there some information you could give us on how to get a hold of you if we're interested in this?
Absolutely. The easiest way to reach me, John, is through my cell phone, if you will, with a call or a text, 717-513-7620, or you can reach me with my email is mccartney@myersrvs.com.
And we hope this was helpful to you guys. And if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Take care, everyone.